here's what I'm excited about. We love seeing people get into, making choices that'll change their life, probably change their life forever, by getting into properties with land.
I was a fifth generation farmer, and I farmed about 6,500 acres. I had peppermint, grass seed, blueberries, wheat, did row crops back in the day.
Not just a real estate team. We very much care about the farm community.
The advantage our clients would have is our experience within the industry, being able to stay current with market conditions and utilizing the resources from that experience, and partnering with certain lenders with creative financing options is an absolute benefit of using Oregon Farm and Home Builder.